नच नच इवेंट में अगला परफॉर्मेंस आने वाला है, पर उसके पहले जैसा मैंने आपको कहा कि थोड़ी सिंधी सीख ली जाए, जिसको पता नहीं है, यहाँ पर रहने के बाद अरबी, मलयालम and Sindhi. These are three things you can't miss. If you're not there, you miss the bus. So I'm going to enhance thoda bahut mera brush up my skills. Whom do I call? Who's like the baap in Sindhi language? Who knows it all? Okay. Who's the master? Then I would say. I just said baap. Anything. Somebody, you know what? I was talking to Chetna Shastri, and she tells me, Kakkari. And I'm trying to get the right pronunciation of that. I'm going to get you the mic. Can I have the mic from that corner? Alright, उस side है? No problem. मैं खुद नीचे चला जाता हूँ. Claire, if you don't mind, can you just hand over the mic to this gentleman here? The second one here.
Hello.
How do you say kakkari? Chetna's like...
Kakri. Kakri.
Louder!
Kakri.
Kakri.
Let us say, for example, not many people can pronounce, being Sindhi also called Yanya. Say Yanya.
Yanya.
Like, say,
You know what?
no. Let us say Dado Sutto.
Dado Sutto.
No, Dado Sutto.
Dado Sutto.
No, Dado Sutto.
You're taking me back to my school days. No. Dado Sutto.
Now, Sachin, whatever you want to learn, I could possibly help you with. Tell me what you want
The
to
first word,
say.
what was that you said?
Yanya. Yanya means Bharat.
Yeah, but...
Yanya.
Yanya.
Yes.
You know what? When I say, when I came here initially and I wanted to say, I have a flair for languages, I love languages. So I said, मुझे कुछ सिखा. तो उन्होंने बोला कि की आयो है. And I sounded like a Thai Sindhi.
Yeah, that's true. That's a mixture what you say exactly.
की आयो है.
Yeah.
And I was like, ये क्या है? Thai है कि Sindhi है?
Saying means how are you? Exactly. What you are saying, you're twisting little bit, but you are saying how are you? That's what.
How are you in a very humble manner, but I'm just anglicizing it.
I tell you, I met one Punjabi guy who was married to a Sindhi lady.
Uh-huh.
And he said, listen, I understand Sindhi almost all, but I can't speak. I say, I will speak 10 sentences to your wife, and if you can tell me what I said in one sentence, I'll say you learned Sindhi. Believe you me, he couldn't. So don't try that hard.
It will come automatically.
What you have learned, just learn to say, Dado Sutto. That's all.
So go into any party, uncle, kedo alai, Dado Sutto hai, ma bhi Dado Sutto hai. And it's going great. Sutto event, Nach event presented by Koshi Lalwani and the group. Next up is not a part of this competition. Now, this is a group who actually, wanted to participate, and knowing Koshi ji wouldn't let anybody down. So she said they don't fit the age group, but what we're going to do is we're going to have them as a fill-up performance for you guys since they've practiced, since they were so in it and they wanted to be a part of this event. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next one is not a part of the competition. Let me reiterate that. It's a group, and that's called Nikhil Nitya they are called Nikhil Nitya Simran and Ameri and Namrata. Basically, they're showcasing husband's life after marriage. Pati Dev, husband's life after marriage. No comments. Ghar jana hai sabko. So, message is, it's no more a man's world, and the song is Dil Churaye Hue Ladi. By messed it up, I think.
लादी खेमा रोज मनाए ओ रोज सूरजो चाहे ठाहे लादी खेमा रोज मनाए बेडती आने दिन साणे हरे रे बाबा बेडती आने दिन साणे हरे रे बाबा हाणे छा कंदुस बाबा ॿियो छा कंदुस बाबा हाणे छा कंदुस बाबा ॿियो छा कंदुस बाबा
दिल चोराए वे लाडी
करे मां पोरिया खूब कमाईंदुसि लादीअ खे पर ऐश कराईंदुसि ओ करे मां पोरिया खूब कमाईंदुसि लादीअ खे पर ऐश कराईंदुसि खाईंदी पिस्ता ऐं खाजा अरे रे बाबा खाईंदी पिस्ता ऐं खाजा अरे रे बाबा ॿियो छा कंदुसि बाबा हाणे छा कंदुसि बाबा ॿियो छा कंदुसि बाबा हाणे छा कंदुसि बाबा
दिल चोराए वे लाडी
घर हलाईंदुसि ॿार बि पालींदुसि लादीअ खां कम की न कराईंदुसि घर हलाईंदुसि ॿार बि पालींदुसि लादीअ खां कम की न कराईंदुसि न न न न न त मुंहिंजा वॼंदा बैंड बाजा हरे रे बाबा मुंहिंजा वॼंदा बैंड बाजा हरे रे बाबा हाणे छा कंदुसि बाबा ॿियो छा कंदुसि बाबा हाणे छा कंदुसि बाबा ॿियो छा कंदुसि बाबा
दिल चोराए वे लाडी निहने बाईंदसे कोलब पाड़ींदसे वादा पहिंजा दिल में संभारींदसे निहने बाईंदसे कोलब पाड़ींदसे वादा पहिंजा दिल में संभारींदसे मुंब दिल दिनी तोके अरे रे राजा मुंब दिल दिनी तोके अरे रे राजा छाजो फिक्र राजा
ना है फिक्र बाबा
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 दिल चोराए वे लाडी
Very cute. You know, इनके बारे में बहुत सी जानकारी मुझे अभी अभी भी मिली है कि you know, again highlight. He's the only Sindhi. These girls are not Sindhi. So music is for everybody. And these girls and this guy have all practiced through a teacher who's pregnant. Priya, teacher from our own English high school. Let's give it out loud. In spite of being pregnant, she's actually given time, choreographed the entire song for these guys, and all of them have done a brilliant job. I would repeat that it's not part of the competition. इतना पीछे क्यों चले गए? आगे आ जाओ यार. Close, close, come close. This guy. इधर आ. Come here. बोलते ना आगे जाके वाट लगाएगा. He's one of them. Tell me, what was that one line when I asked you? You know, I was discussing with these guys, ke, you know, I want a theme, I want a message for your song. I need to understand what the song is all about and create something for the song. And as I said, ke inke gaane ka message tha, it's no more a man's world, and which he did showcase. But iska pehla reaction kya tha? What he said, jaise maine kaha ke, what do you want to, you know, talk about the song? So, what did you say that time?
Nowadays, it's no more the men don't wear pants in the house. The ladies do.
He's like, nowadays, no more men wear the pants in the house. It's the ladies who wear pants. and shorts. मैंने बोला बेटा तू आजकल के ज़माने का है कि कहाँ का है कि pants भी नहीं चलती तुझे. Well, very strong, very smart. All the kids have done a brilliant job, especially his to be better half types in the song. Judges, any comments? All three of you for these lovely little angels here.
It was the best performance we saw today. And I'd like everybody to give them a very, very big hand. What are your names? Can you all tell me your names?
My name is Anna.
Anna,
I'm Nitya.
Nitya,
Namrata.
Namrata, and
Nikhil.
Nikhil,
Simran.
Simran. Well, congrats to all of you all. I hope when you all go on ahead, you all will continue dancing because all of you all are very, very talented. And I feel very sad that I can't give you any marks. You all should be part of the competition, but unfortunately, there are some rules. But thank you so much for coming and doing this for us. Thank you.
Group hug on stage. Come on, all of us. Let's have a group hug. For all these kids, give it out loud. Thank you. I'm going to continue my struggle to learn Sindhi. I have been told to catch home this time. No offense meant, but party is something that is in the blood. Every discotheque you go, the creme de la creme crowd, I'm telling you the fact that it is definitely the ANIs. And the best of clothes, the best of everything that you would see, the branded stuff that you see is there. Who are these people? Who are the party animals here? Who are the youngsters here? Can I see their hands up in the air? Youngsters? Generally, you would die to tell your age, chota. Yahan par I'm asking you youngsters, though you don't want to. Youngsters. Preeti's raised her hand up. Natasha, Anita, come on. Youngsters, can I see some youngsters? Wow. All the 50s and 40s are saying youngsters. Where are the youngsters? Youngsters! Party animals! Animals! Youngsters, put your hand up quickly. Naren, first line, next to Natasha. Naren, can you say 5 lines in Sindhi for me?
What do you want me to say?
Anything what you want.
Janya?
Come on, I want you to say 5 lines. Come on, Naren. Come on, get up. No, here, right here, in front of these three gorgeous ladies. Naren.
Okay. Sabin ke mazo ache pyo? Dadi khushi ta sab hete aaya. And Sachin ja joke khatam kayo.
3 lines? Guys, we sail in the same ship then. You guys, we sail in the same ship then. There is no two ways about it. Next up, are we ready for the next performance, guys? Back there. Group performance is coming in. And it's called Nach Ghotma. This time it's Komal, Yash, Kajal, Shweta, Arjun, Dheeraj, Raj Nandini Sharma and Karan Sharma showcasing Bharati introducing the girl to the boy's family, and the message is Ladke wale khush naseeb hain. And highlight is the ma. That's what the ma told me. Highlight main hu, batana. Obviously saas. You know how important it is. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nach Ghotma dancing.
नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा होय नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा होय नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा फेरियों पाए ताड़ियों बजाए चेल जरा लोडाए नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा होय नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा होय नच घोटमा तू नच घोटमा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा ओए नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा तेरियों पाए ताड़ियों बजाए नाचो खूब नचाए नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा ओए नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा मिसरिया जहड़ी तुंजी भाई ओए 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 दोस्त बनी हो तो ले आई भले 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 मिसरिया जहड़ी तुंजी भाई दोस्त बनी हो तो ले आई नींदी टोके मक्खन मलाई तीन की तू घबरा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा हाय नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा हाय नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा हाय नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा चाचू मामियों ॾिसजो कमाल अची ताल में ॾियो सभु ताल चाचू मामियों ॾिसजो कमाल अची ताल में ॾियो सभु ताल आओ माल मिठाइयूं माल ढोल वॼाए झांझ वॼाए पेर ताज थिरकार नच घोट भा तू नच घोट भा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा नच घोट मां तू नच घोट भा नच घोट मां तू नच घोट भा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा नच घोट मां तू नच घोट भा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा नच घोट भेण तू नच घोट भा नच घोट मां तू नच घोट भा
शादी का माहौल तुम लोगों ने तो एकदम बना दिया भाइयों और बहनों as well. कोमल, यश, काजल, श्वेता, अर्जुन, धीरज, राजनंदिनी शर्मा and करण शर्मा. Brilliant job. Levels down हो गए. Once again. No. Come on, once again. That's like it. Neeta. Who's representing?
I think the first half needs to be danced because actually we were not looking at anybody else except the lady there. She's brilliant. I think a very good performance and all of you were very sweet.
Any improvisations, any comments, and in particular that you think that they should have done? Anything in synchro? Because that's a group dance, so synchronization is the most important element.
Synchronization a little bit off in the end, but I think clothes could have been more bright, more colorful, and with such beautiful faces, you could have really gone to town with your clothes. You should have actually made him wear glasses.
Now that's a designer speaking for you guys. Good tip. Thank you so much, Neeta, and thank you so much, guys. Lovely performance. Second last performance for this evening for the Nach Nach competition, which is presented by Koshi Lalwani and group. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another group performance. So 2 more to go. Hold your breath. Somebody is going to get the Taj or the Nach Nach Taj. The next performance is by the group called Rockers. Now, this one consists of Kishore, Sam, Vinod, Alice, Urvashi, Ambika, Sophie, and Prince. They are showcasing marriage celebrations. Focus is on friends and families. They are the ones who enjoy the most. And the song is Ayo Ghodiyet Ghot Raja.
आयो घोड़ियत घोट राजा बाजा आयो घोड़िए ते घोट राजा गड बैंडू बारात बाजा आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो आयो घोड़िए ते घोट राजा गड बैंडू बारात बाजा आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो लाडी सांजी चमक छलोआ
लाडो असां जो बि ख़ूब भलो आहे
लाडी सांजी चमक छलोआ
लाडो असां जो बि ख़ूब भलो आहे
पैर जमीन ते कीन किला है
हंज विहारे इंदुसि घुमाए
जो छेज बजायो बाजा आयो घोड़िए ते घोट राजा जो छेज बजायो बाजा आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो लाडी सांजी त फ्रेंड दीवानी
लाडो बि पाए सूट अरमानी
लाडी सांजी त फ्रेंड दीवानी
लाडो बि पाए सूट अरमानी
खाए बर्गर खाए पिज़्ज़ा
लाडो वठी ईंदो मटन ऐं चूज़ा
जो छेज बजायो बाजा आयो घोड़िए ते घोट राजा जो छेज बजायो बाजा आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अचो लाडा गायो आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो 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 लाडो भली करे आयो
Ruk jayega, it's going high. And did you guys read what it says? Yeah? वापस मुझे मजा नहीं आया. मजा नहीं आया. Come on! आयो घोड़िए तो घोट राजा. राजा जी, how you doing? कितनी बार शादी होगी?
दूसरे बार है
All right. Let me just tell you the names: Kishore, Sam, Vinod, Alice, Urvashi, Ambika, Sophie, and Prince. Anybody I'm missing out on? Me is me and Preeti. So we have me and Preeti. I have to say the highlight, you know what? Earlier when we started the show, I said that it is not a particular community. It's a show for the Cosmo audience. It's for everybody. And this song definitely highlights that because we've not gone national, but we've got international. There are two Brazilian girls who... who's that? Bulgarian. Two Bulgarian girls, part of this, this performance, which definitely says that it's for everybody. Now, do you guys understand what's happening?
Yeah, definitely we understand what we're doing, but in all languages we like to dance and sing, even if we don't know exactly the text.
Good one. Even if you don't understand the lyrics of it, definitely you want to dance because as Ajay and Priya mentioned to me specifically that song music doesn't have any barrier, no language barrier at all. It's for everybody and it has been showcased. Natasha, over to you and the group.
Hello everybody, you guys were fabulous, amazing. The song is festive and you showed it. I think a lot of times, even though the steps, I'm not saying your steps were simple, but even if the step is simple, your expressions and the livelihood in yourselves just stood out and you made it rock. I felt like I was in an actual wedding, you know, watching you guys. Amazing. Ladies in Pink, I'm sure you didn't understand the language, but it's beautiful to see how music and dance binds everybody. And I'm glad to see that international crowd here. Amazing. You should give yourself a pat on the back. I really, really enjoyed this one. Very good.
Thank you, thank you.
A lot of passion there, Natasha. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys, and all the best. One more to go, and judges are going to decide who is the Nach Guru this evening. As I said, there are 3 winners. We have second runner-up, first runner-up, and the Nach Bap Master. And we also have 2 separate prizes, one for the best costume and one for the best use of prop. Next up, the last one for this evening at the Nach event, which is presented by Koshi Lalwani. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a song that I have been told, and I also have experienced, that you will never, ever miss if you go to a Sindhi wedding. This song has to be there. Any guesses, Preeti? Any guesses which song this could be? Like you go to a Sindhi, you know the song. Don't tell me you've written the song. You know the song. Anybody else who can give me a guess? Woo! That's exactly right. It is Ho Jamalo, the celebration after victory. The message is proud to you as ladies and gentlemen, Mahesh and Shivani, Jay and Kamya, Hitesh and Anisha with Ho Jamalo.
Jamalo,
Ek bar. Let's all sing it out loud for the last song. 1, 2, 3. At the count of 1, 2, 3, let's say Ho Jamalo. Let's just sing it all. Can we? Let's go 4, 5 times Ho Jamalo. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Ho Jamalo. Ho Jamalo. Woo! Fantastic. Sorry. All right. Mahesh, Shivani, Jay, Kamya, Hitesh, Anisha. Ho Jamalo. Preeti, Neeta, and Natasha. All three of you, they're all yours. Target them.
Good evening, people. Mahesh here. I would not say I'm the choreographer for the group because I'm nothing but one. I'm without these people. So can I just hear once for everybody, please? Thank you so much. Thank you.
I thought they're targeting us, but we'll target them, no problem. So, I didn't get your name.
Mahesh.
Mahesh, very good job done, and an amazing troupe there. Professionals, very good.
Thank you,
Lovely
ma'am. Thank
energy.
you so much.
We love your costumes. I think we all said that. Very nice costumes,
Thank
all
you so much.
synced. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Have you all been dancing for a long time?
Yup. You can say, I mean, not everybody, but yes, we can say, yeah, we've been dancing for a long time.
Mahesh, आपने तो गोविंदा की याद दिला दी.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You had expressions like him and you were dancing with as much energy.
Thank
But
you,
all
thank
of y'all were very good, and it's very nice to see a group who's totally coordinated with their costumes as well as their steps. Because group dance is all about coordination, and it only looks nice when everybody is perfectly synchronized, which y'all were.
Thank you so
Which
much.
y'all
Thank
were.
you so much, ma'am.
Natasha and Preeti have already said what I would like to say as well, but the synchronization was really superb and great energy levels.
Okay, I would just want to say one thing, ma'am. Miss Neeta Lula.
Yes.
I was the guy who was just standing outside to attend you till here, if you
Oh,
remember the
yes.
black shirt.
Thank you so much.
It was great meeting you, ma'am.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, and Mahesh, that's a compliment, dude. Govinda style. The master of dancing in Bollywood. Thank you so much, guys. Wonderful job. With this, we've ended the performances for this evening for the Nach Nach event, ladies and gentlemen. Judges are going to take some time to actually finalize the score. They are working on the score chart there. We are literally ready with the scores. Are we the judges? For the Nach Nach event, we're going to have the master of Nach Nach, and also we have more added prizes this evening. I would like to call upon a lady who's going to speak about the very soul of the show who just came here, Koshi Lalwani. Now, I would like to call upon Reshma Tehliani. I would like her to come on stage and say a few words about Koshi Lalwani.
Thank you, Sachin. Last year, I received a call from an unfamiliar number on my mobile phone. And I was in India Club when I picked up the phone. And on the other side, I heard a very sweet voice speaking. And I asked who it was, and she said, "I'm Koshi Lalwani." I was quite excited because I've known her for many years, though she may not have known me. And she said, "Reshma, I've heard about you. You handle PR and media, and I would like to meet with you." And I thought what a privilege it was. But she didn't know that I had written about her 15 years ago when she had released an album on nursery rhymes in Sindhi called Gulranja Geet. I'd just like to say one word about Koshi, that her creative spirit is relentless. She just goes on and on. And last year I met her when she released the film The Awakening. It's an amazing movie. I don't know how many of you have watched it, but it's a movie which has a message that we need to remember our roots even while embracing all the winds of globalization. What a beautiful thought it is, and how true it is. We can't remain rootless in this world, and that's what Koshi keeps reminding us. And then again this year, end of last year, I met up with her and she said, you know what? I want to have a new program called Nach Nach. Nach Nach dedicated to the youth. So Koshi, we really love you for your spirit. We love you for supporting your language. We love you for supporting the youth. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Reshma, for the sweet words. And yes, it is Koshi Lalwani who's made this evening happen, and her committee members who made this actually happen, the first of its kind dance competition here in the UAE. Next up, a vote of thanks by two gorgeous, dashing ladies. I would like to call upon Chitra Daryani and Chetna Shastri for vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. Today, you have been witness to the first ever Sindhi dance competition, arranging and hosting an event of the magnitude of Nach Nach is by no means an easy task. It requires a great deal of thinking, coordination, patience, follow-up,
more follow-up,
and still more follow-up until all the loose ends have been tied up.
And once a truly unique event has been staged, but it is incomplete if we do not appreciate for those who made this possible.
There is almost an endless list of people whom we need to thank, but time constraints permit us to mention only a few whose involvement was key. However, this does not mean that the contribution of others was by any measure less important.
First, we thank our participants for their fiery spirits and the most amazing body skills we witnessed. We thank each one of them for their innovative dance steps, their creative ideas, and most importantly, their enthusiasm for Nach Nach.
And now, moving on to our three beautiful judges, Mrs. Neeta Lulla, Ms. Preeti Jangyani, and our very own Natasha Gangaramani, who have selflessly given us the gift of their presence, their valuable time and insights regarding the finer elements of the dance performances, and their commendable inputs have allowed this evening to reach to its zenith. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give all three of them a big round of applause.
We offer our grateful thanks to our sponsors, whose contribution has provided us the funds for Nach Nach, creating a credible platform to perform and showcase the skills would not have been possible without their generous support.
We wish to offer our special thanks to Mr. Gulshan Narang, who conceived the idea of creating a lamp-lit peace walk to commemorate the loss of lives in the Mumbai bloodshed last year. Thank you, Mr. Gulshan Narang, wherever you are. It was fabulous.
We will always pray for peace in this world, and peace alone will allow us to know our true selves.
And last, but not the least, where would we be without the very soul of this evening, of this Nach Nach program, Mrs. Koshi Lalwani. Let's give her a big round of applause. Her creative spirit is inexorable. She has proven to us time and again that we all can translate our dreams into reality. Following the success of her first English crossover film, The Awakening, Koshi conceived this evening of Nach Nach.
Thereafter, she was quick to conceive and execute her youth program into a real vibrant happening show. So, if anyone wishes to know how to turn dreams into realities,
Make sure you get tips from her, along with loads and loads of inspiration.
And finally, we thank you all for being an excellent applauding audience.
Thank you, Chitra and Chitra. Thank you so much. Thank you for the special words this evening. Are we all set for the results? Battery down, QA. Are we all set for the results? Yes, kuch dam nahi hai. Participants are your members related to you guys. So come on, we are ready for the results this evening, ladies and gentlemen. But to announce the winners, I would like to call the judges on stage. Natasha Gangaramani, Neeta Lulla, and Preeti Jangiani. Please come on stage. And once again, I would like to thank you guys for being here and making this evening so very special for us. It's a pleasure to be with three ladies on the stage. And I would also like to call upon the Lalwani family. I would like to call upon Mr. Lal Lalwani to be on stage. Mr. Lal Lalwani, Mr. Dinesh Lalwani, and there would be Bahu, Claire. Come on, all together. And, thank you judges, please. And also, I would like to call the lady, as I said, the very soul behind the show, Koshi Lalwani. Louder, guys! Thank you. The winners are going to be announced anytime now, but I have to make this very special announcement. This very, very special announcement, which I'm going to pick up one. What is it? Where's the Lalwani family? Right there.
Give them little time.
Your dil ki dhadkan's coming.
Digesting what they're seeing.
They're digesting what they're seeing, absolutely. Finally happened. Thank you, Mr. Lalwani. Thank you, Dinesh, Claire, for joining us on the stage. All the songs that you heard.
तारन में कंजूसी छो भाई मज़ो आयो कने ना तो जोर सा आ जाए
Right, good.
That's it. जय झूलेलाल चवा पो वधी के जोर सा ताड़ी वजाइंदा हिक झूलेलाल जी ताड़ी जोर सा. That's it.
As I said, it's going to be very special. All the songs that you heard, as I said, written, composed, and produced by Koshi Lalwani. We've created a CD. The CD is available right outside, so you can actually brand this music, enjoy this music every time you want to celebrate, you want to party, shadi, everywhere that you want to. So we're going to release that album right here. Ladies and gentlemen, you're witnessing the launch, the release of the album by Koshi Lalwani. The 9 songs that you just heard on the stage, specially brand new, performed, composed, produced for this particular show. You can pick it up. They're right outside available. So can we have the CDs for the launch, please? I'll hand over.
Only party people in the house. It's time to get groovy now. Move to the rhythm. Why don't you nudge with Koshi? Not red. That's where.
Guys, you're witnessing the launch of the album. All the music composed, written, and produced by Koshi Lalwani. Absolutely, Nuts with Koshi. Thank you so much, judges, for being here. Thank you, Koshiji. Now, coming down to the results. The third winner, no guesses from anywhere. The second runner-up, which I say. Are we ready? Natasha, can we begin with you? Do we have the names done, guys? Are we ready? Can we have the names here? All right, Natasha is going to announce the second runner-up, the third winner this evening for the Nach Nach event. Ladies and gentlemen, first time ever, the first of its kind dance competition. Promoting local talent here, giving every individual a chance, a platform to perform, to showcase their talent and grow bigger and bigger.
All right, are we ready? I didn't see any guesses coming out. Come on, guys, any guesses? No, okay. Well, we won't keep you waiting. I'm sure you've been waiting for a long time. But the second runner-up is Ajay and Priya for Nach Nach Tu.
Thank you. Ajay and Priya, come on! Where are you guys? Down, down, down. Come on. Ajay and Priya get a 2,000 dirhams. Get 2,000 dirhams plus. Plus gift hampers from Homes Aras, Khushi Jewelers, Nikai, Cosmos, Regal, and Astoria Hotel. Congratulations, Ajay and Priya.
That was other song.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Could you be on stage, please? और जोर से? Woo! The first runner-up, which means to say the second winner, who's going to get a 3,000 dirham cash plus gift hampers from Homes Aras, Khushi Jewelers, Nikai, Cosmos, Regal, and Astoria Hotel. Here's your list. The second winner, the first runner-up for this evening.
Ritesh and Vishakha.
Thank you, Neeta. Can we have Ritesh and Vishakha on stage? Can we have Ritesh and Vishakha, the first runner-up? The second winner for this evening. To get themselves 3,000 dirhams cash and gift hampers, loads and loads of stuff. $3,000 dirhams cash for the second winner, the first runner-up for this evening. Congratulations. Are Hat Pare Hat. That's the song. We have the first final winner announcement coming in just a short while before that. As I said, we have also best group, best costume. Let's move on to the best costume first. What's it? Best costume. I would like to have Koshiji announce the best costume and the best group. So can we have the best costume first?
Now, who's the best Mahesh, Jay and Kamya for best costumes. Mahesh and group. Mahesh and group.
Ho Jamalo, ho 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 Jamalo. Ho Jamalo, ho 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 Jamalo. Congratulations, the best costume, guys. You get yourself gift vouchers from Khushi Jewelers. Can we have the vouchers, please? And yes, another one. That's the best costume. We have best group as well, Koshiji. One more to go, and then we have the final winner. The best group this evening. The best group performance. We have it. Can we have the vouchers for the best costume, please? All right, we'll wait for that, but then we will announce the best group this evening, and that is, can I have somebody from the committee, please? Sorry, I'm just a little bad with normal education.
Little confusion. It
All right.
happens because they
I'm
are
gonna put the
so
mic off.
excited. I'm saying this, everybody has to yet digest what they saw, that Sindhi songs can be performed on the stage. I'm sure they will be played on every disco and every marriage and everywhere. Make a promise that you all play this. I will say one word, before I approach these children, that you all are going to dance on a Sindhi number. Trust me, they all had such a hesitation to say yes. And then they made me say, Auntie, can we do half Sindhi and then half number on Hindi? I told them, okay, first come and hear the music. When they heard the music, I must ask them to confess this. This is their words. Auntie, we don't want to dance on Hindi number. We'll go entirely on Sindhi. Am I right? Please say loudly. I must say, these are their words. And they are Sindhis and non-Sindhi. They dance on this it's my dream which has come true that Sindhi music can be a great music.
All right, we have the best group here. We're waiting for the first winner, the Nach Nach Master this evening. But before that, the best group. Koshi ji, the best group this evening is...
Oh, let me wear my glasses. Kumargan group. Kumar. Could we have Kumar group for best of...
Woo! The most energetic group on stage, that's what the judges told me. Kishore, Sam, Vinod, Alice, Urvashi, Ambika, Sophie and Prince, and they dance on the song Ayo Ghodiyate Ghot Raja. Come on, guys!
Gifts from Home Zaras for best costume. Congratulations!
The best costume and the best group gets
In
gift
their
vouchers
group,
from Khushi Jewelers.
2 are Sindhis, rest are all non-Sindhi. This is a real cosmopolitan group. And they understood the song so well. And they could really bring out the marriage so beautifully. Beautiful.
Congratulations, guys. Gift vouchers from Khushi Jewelers to the best group as well. And last but not the least,
आयो घोड़ियते घोट राजा गड बैंडू बारात बाजा आयो घोड़ियते घोट राजा गड बैंडू बारात बाजा
great.
आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अटो लाडा गायो आयो आयो लाडो भली करे आयो लाडे जा अटो लाडा गायो आयो घोड़ियते घोट राजा गड बैंडू बारात बाजा आयो आयो
all right. Congratulations. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Are we all ready? Now this one needs guesses. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. It's just about 11:35 in the night, Thursday night. Abhi to raat shuru bhi nahi hui hai. A lot of people have plans. 12 baje, I will reach someplace.
Thursday night. Have a
Thursday night
fun.
party. All right,
Party
Preeti,
time.
can I have you here for the final winner this evening, the Nach Nach event, the Nach Nach head, the Nach Nach master of luster, the Nach Nach whatever you want to call it. Are we ready for...
Before I announce the Nach Nach Master Blaster, as you call it, I'd like to say that the contestants have shown their enthusiasm on stage, but I'm not so happy with the audience. Come on, guys, you can show us what you're all about. I've come to Dubai, make me want to come again and again. I think the audience should be screaming much, much, much more. There's so much talent we've seen today. It was so hard for us to decide. It was really hard. I mean, we even had confusion till the last minute. So I think a very, very, very big round of applause for all these talented people out here. Especially also for Koshi. She's supremely talented. For her to single-handedly put up this show is an amazing achievement. And I think all of us need to be very, very proud of her, which we really are. Okay. On popular demand, who do you think everybody wants me to clap for? That's one guess you all got correctly. Sachin, thank you very, very much. Thank you. And we can take all your Sindhi jokes because we are very sporting, right?
Absolutely. And you know what? Now I have decided for tonight, wherever I'm partying, my name is going to be Sachinani. So anybody can call me Sachinani.
You're officially welcomed into the Sindhi group.
Thank you.
Okay, so for the winners of the Nach Nach dance competition today are Hitesh and Poonam.
Woo! Maat dosa pyar karya to. Congratulations, Hitesh and Poonam. They get themselves 5,000 dirhams cash plus loads and loads of gift vouchers from Home Zaras, Khushi Jewelers, Nikai, Cosmos, Regal and Astoria Hotel. Can we have all the participants, all the rest of the participants also on stage for a token of appreciation from the committee here and Koshi, Lalwani and group. Can we have all the participants on stage? There's always a next time. Got to be better, got to give it your best. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. But before that, all the participants plus we want Gulshan and group and Nikhil and group who did the special performances, who voluntarily agreed and came forward to join us this evening and make it so special, the Nach Nach event.
There is a special surprise. These two groups, Gulshan and these young children, they did a marvelous job, so they deserve a special gift. It goes 1,000 dirhams to both the groups. For both the groups, we gave a special gift, 1,000 dirhams. You all were, and there are gifts for everybody. Before your 1 minute more, I must take the names of my committee, which till now I didn't take, because I thought I should inform them and I will call them one by one. Is Chitra, Chetna, Jagdish, Reshma, and Ajay, he is here, and who else was there? Priya, Shashi, you all are here? Yes, Priya, Shashi, where's Shashi? All these, my new committee members, they are youth. As I said, I had gripped the nerves of the youth. We are only 16, don't worry. So they have done a marvelous job. This whole arrangement has been done by these young girls and boys. Give them a big applause. But not the least, Allah re Allah, Sachin Allah. Sachin Allah se Allah re Allah, Sachin Allah. He has been such a great host. Sachin, thank you. I have no words. Sincerely, I have no words. And I'm more proud being non-Sindhi. You are really adopted. You are going to be Sachinani. I have converted all these people in Sindhi. They all have been converted now. All are Sindhis. Okay, that's a great. Thank you so much. Wonderful. And we are going to give gifts to all the participants. Now, nobody is going to go without a gift.
Excuse me, guys. I want to say something. I am Shashi, and I did work with the Koshi. She's a wonderful person, very easy, and she never gets mad. So I must say thank you working with you. Bye. And whole committee, yes.
Thank you. On behalf of the whole committee, special words for Koshi Lalwani. Thank you so much for making this evening so special for all of us and giving everybody a chance. Thank you, judges. And once again, Hitesh and Poonam, congratulations! The must of lust of the Nach Nach event presented by Koshi Lalwani and group. Piche kya kar rahe ho? Thank you, judges. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Neeta. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you for being here, joining us this evening.
I want to say special words for this Poonam and Hitesh. When I called them for audition and when I saw them how they are performing, I gave them this slow number. And they says, why auntie, slow number to us? I told them, because I see a talent in you and you will get away with the gift, the first gift, and my prophecy has come true. Am I right? They were reluctant to the extent I said, no, I know you all will do the best, really sincere judgment to this song, because it's my real good song from my heart. I love my husband.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, all of you. Congratulations to all the participants who won this evening and also who haven't won. Token of appreciation comes your way. Gulshan Group, Nikhil and Group, thank you so much. All you audience, lovely audience.
Click one picture of all of us.
Thank you so much, the audience, for being such a wonderful and lively audience here this evening.
It's a big group of 50 people. Where I was not getting 5 people, I got 50. It started raining. Please, give them one big applause and then thank you very much, all of you.
We'd also like to thank the sponsors this evening, Qataria Information Technologies, Alfara Group, Supertech, 7 Star, Flip Media, Darrell Angelus Printing Press, Nikai, and last but not the least for the stage, it's Mr. Pratap Rangwani. Thank you so much all. Without you guys, this event wouldn't have happened. Once again, thank you for being a wonderful audience and thank you for being so special this evening. Also, judges, once again, thank you.
Thank you, Vishnu.
Thank you, and have a great evening.
The auditorium people, Indian High School, they have been so cooperative with me, you can't believe. Prashant, I have been really phoning him, troubling him day and night, but this all has come, a dream come true. Thank you very much once again, audience.
हो जमालो हो जमालो हो जमालो हो जमालो हो जमालो जमालो हो जमालो हो जमालो जमालो हो जमालो
जमालो
हो जमालो सिंग सिंग
हेलो
हो जमालो हो जमालो हो जमालो
जमालो
हो जमालो जमालो हो जमालो
ओ देखो खट्टी आयो खैर सा
हो जमालो
ओ देखो लड़ी आयो लाड़ता
हो जमालो
ओ देखे साई मंडी चीज में
हो जमालो
ओ देखे गाढ़ो लकड़ हाथ में
हो जमालो